Realistic physics and complex motion is often a nightmare for AI video generators. But Seedance 2.0 fixed this. Or did it? Well, let's stress test it with 13 amazing prompts. Okay, so the first test is this amazing picture-in-picture roller coaster video with very long and complicated prompt, you see? So many different things happening here. So let's see what Seedance did with it. Now I would say this is pretty good. Just to give you a comparison, this is Kling 3.0. And this is Veo 3.1.
Yes! Woohoo!
And by the way, I'm using IMAGINE.ART to create all these videos because it has all the newest and most popular AI video and image models in one place. It also includes a bunch of other tools like internal video editor, lip sync studio, and full workflows to help you finish your projects. And if you want to try it out for yourself, the link is in the description down below. Now, figure skating was always extremely complicated for AI video generator. And we have this long multi-shot prompt. So let's generate. Now that was pretty amazing. And then if I would like to extend this video, I can do that easily here. So auto or manually extend, then also upscale the video or even edit the video in the full in-browser video editor. Then we have a video of Rube Goldberg machine, which is basically extremely hard for all AI video generators because AI needs to follow internal logics and some laws of physics without even you specifying those in the prompt. So let's generate that one. Here is our machine. Now some things are not completely right here, of course, but don't be too hard to your AI video generators because let's check what Kling has to say about it and Veo 3.1 also. So yeah, it's pretty clear that this is hard for AI video. So here on the platform we also have GPT Image 2, so I wanted to create this image here, and this will be our reference for the parkour video. So now instead of me blabbering around, I will leave you to watch these videos in silence.
Oh my god! He's been attacked!
So 13 prompts later, did Seedance 2.0 survive the stress test? For me, the results speak for themselves. AI physics and motion is finally catching up to the reality. Well, for the most case. And if you are ready to break the simulation yourself, head over to IMAGINE.ART and let me know in the comments which test blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.